Here are a couple of tips that will help you lose your extra weight, fat rather, and it's going to help you maintain your weight for the rest of this lockdown because God knows for how long this is going to go on. So, number one, don't go on any crash diet. You don't want to torture yourself, you don't want to abuse your body, you want to really get healthy, right? So no crash diets. Okay, that is tip number one. Tip number two, focus on the amount of vegetables you're eating. So obviously right now we're all thinking that we should try and use our vegetables for as long as we can so that we don't have to go down again and again, and I highly endorse that. So just make sure that you're getting at least some amount of vegetable every day. The vegetables that you get, try and buy the healthier ones. So buy things like leafy vegetables and gourds, and broccoli is great, mushrooms are great. So buy the ones that in general are healthier, and avoid adding potato and tomato to everything. Next, follow the circadian rhythm. Now, like every other creature in nature, we are also supposed to work with the sun. That means we have to wake up when the sun rises and sleep when the sun sets. But we don't really do that. So although we are staying awake after sunset, we should make sure that we don't eat after sunset. Skip your dinner altogether. There is, if there was one habit you had to pick up, it should be this one. Yeah. The next thing is you want to make sure that you're eating smaller meals. So the portion of every meal that you consume should be slightly smaller. So the idea is that you should be eating mindfully based on how much your body really wants to eat, and not how much you think your body wants to eat. The next thing is be very active in the day. Because we are sedentary, we are gaining more weight than usual. So make sure that you get up every 30 minutes and just walk around for 2 minutes and then just go and sit back there. If you're on a phone call, you can even walk around. Next thing, reduce the intake of processed foods. So what we are doing is we are eating a lot of, because we have time at hand, we are cooking fancy meals. But in cooking fancy meals, what we are doing is we are using more maida, more butter, more fatty foods, more unhealthy junk foods. So you want to reduce that. Even if you're trying different cuisines, different meals, make the ones which are extremely healthy. You don't want to compromise your health at any cost. The next thing, make sure you're getting a lot of protein. Now, protein is something that if you're a meat eater, you will get a lot of it. But if you're a vegetarian, most of your diet by default is going to be rich in carbs and not as much on protein. So make sure you're getting a good dose of protein with each and every meal. Next thing, and the last one, is you want to include a lot of healthy fats in your diet, and you want to replace these. You want to replace your carbs with these. So that means that you want to have about 3 to 4 portions of nuts and seeds and coconut and ghee in your meal, and reduce your carb intake instead. So instead of having 1 big cup of rice, you have half a cup of rice, but you put half a cup of ghee on top, half a spoon of ghee on top of it. So that's what you want to do. This is a more healthier and a more wholesome way of eating. Now, these are really basic details, just introductory pointers. I'm sharing very detailed versions of all the tips on my Instagram through this month. So you can come and follow me there. My username is Khushbu_the Health Pantry. You can just follow me there and you will keep getting all the information. If you have any questions, you can also just DM me there or leave a comment under one of the posts. Thank you for watching. Have a healthy lockdown. Take care.